In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two images in Photopea. We'll start from opening your files and finish with a polished, blended result you can export and share. I'll walk you through clear options for blending, plus simple adjustments to make everything look seamless. First, head to Photopea in your browser. Go to File, then Open, and select both images. They'll load into separate tabs at the top of the workspace, which makes it easy to switch between them. Decide which image will be your base and which one you want to bring on top. To place one image onto the other, choose the Move tool by pressing V. Click the tab of the image you want to move, then click and drag it into the tab of your base image. Hold for a moment until the canvas appears and drop it in. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+A to select all, then Ctrl+C to copy, switch to the other tab, and press Ctrl+V to paste. You should now see a new layer above your base image. Resize and position it with Ctrl+T to enter Free Transform. Drag from the corners to scale, move it into place, and press Enter to confirm. Keep an eye on proportions so the subject doesn't look stretched. Now let's blend. The most flexible method is a layer mask. With the top layer selected, click Add Layer Mask. Choose the brush tool, set a soft brush with black as your color, and gently paint on the mask to hide hard edges and reveal what's underneath. If you remove too much, switch to white to bring areas back. Lowering brush opacity helps create gradual natural fades. You can also use a gradient for a smooth transition. Select the gradient tool with a black to white gradient and drag across the area you want to fade. The direction and length of your drag control how soft and where the blend happens, creating a clean, even dissolve. For creative overlaps, try changing the blend mode in the Layers panel. Options like Overlay, Multiply, or Soft Light can merge tones in interesting ways. If the effect is too strong, reduce the layer's opacity. To make the images feel like one, select a layer and go to Image, then Adjustments. Tweak brightness/contrast, color balance, or hue saturation, so colors and lighting match. Finish with small touch-ups. Lightly blur any stubborn edges with the blur tool, fine-tune layer opacity, and use the clone stamp to hide seams or distractions. When you're happy, go to File, Export As, and choose